I came to dance, 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 dance. I hit the floor cause that's my plans, 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 plans. I'm wearing all my favorite brands, 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 brands. Give me some space for both my hands, 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 hands. You, cause it goes on and on and on. And it goes on and on.
To the b squared of the sine theta of min inverse cotangent. Oh my god. Wait, and the arc radian, and then I can derive using the chicken McNugget formula. What? The inverse of the cotangent is equal to the sum of the...
Yeah, you know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah, you know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah, you know what it is.
I've been watching you. At night, I think of you. I want to be your lady, baby. If you gave me
Son, isn't that enough?